Namaskar students, our second chapter is going on, that is creating charts in MS Excel 2016. In previous video I have covered some basic chart types that is available in all versions of MS Excel. But now today whatever charts we are going to discuss, that is not available in earlier versions. It is available in all the versions after 2016. So you will get this chart in 2016 and then later versions like 2019. So here in this video we will discuss about the same chart. So let me start with hierarchical charts. If you have missed that previous video, you can get this video in I button. So go there and you can watch the complete video of earlier charts. Okay, so let me discuss about hierarchical charts first. Hierarchy, it is a word which means that a structure means you can structure your data with some headings, subheadings like topics, subtopics like that. So you can write that content into your Excel worksheet and then represent them on the chart, or you can plot the data on the chart. That is called hierarchical charts. Let's we take one example. Suppose in our school, if we are going to start class 11th, then there are two streams in class 11. Generally there are three streams, but our school is providing two streams. First is science, second is commerce. So there are two streams like that. So in science stream you can take admission in science. There will be some different subjects are there: physics, chemistry, bio, computer science, like that. Similarly in commerce you will get subjects like accountancy, economics, business studies, informatics practices, IP, like that. So those subjects are there. So these subjects are known as hierarchy. So there is one hierarchy and you can follow this hierarchy and you can represent this data. So we will see that example in chart. Another chart is sunburst chart. Sunburst chart means it is like a sun. If you have considered the sun, then in sun you can see that one concentric circle is there. In that circle, one main circle we can see, and then the rays are surrounded by that circle. So that is called sun. So here in this also you can see that sunburst, one concentric circle is there and values are surrounded by that particular lines. So that is called sunburst chart. And the last one is waterfall chart. Waterfall chart focuses on data points that make up the total and it will show the breakup. So these charts we will discuss today, and I will show you the demonstration how to create this chart. Although creating charts is a very simple, only main thing is the data. First data you have to prepare according to your result. Whatever result analysis or whatever kind of data analysis you want to perform, that data must be prepared first. So data is very important for these types of charts. So let we go and check in MS Excel 2019. So let we open 2019 Excel worksheet. I have already prepared one kind of Excel worksheet here. So let me zoom in first. Okay, so here you can see, as I have discussed, we have two streams here, science and commerce, and each stream three subjects are there. Here I have written three subjects: physics, bio and computer science. Similarly, accountancy, business studies and informatics practices. So these subjects I have already written, and these are the some topics which is covered in particular number of periods. So here 20 periods, 10 periods, 20 periods, like that. Similarly for biology, similarly for computer science, and all these subjects. Now I want to represent this data in chart. So first we will use tree map chart. So how to create a tree map chart? So follow these steps. Click on insert, go to maps. This maps option is coming under charts group. So click on maps, more maps charts, that option you will get. Now click on tree map. So tree map option is available. Click on this tree map and click on OK button. So here you will get this type of chart. So this chart you can see here. So in this chart two colors are already coming. So tree map chart represent the data in different colors and different size of rectangles under the category. So here two categories are there. So science category, it is available with blue color. Commerce category is available with orange color. Similarly, you can see one more thing, that whatever topic we have covered under this data, that is available with different rectangles. These rectangles can be large or small according to the data entered in this Excel worksheet. So here you can see that sound. So sound has 20 periods. So it is plotted like this. Nutrition 20 periods. It is plotted like this. Similarly, you can find out in commerce also. So this is the tree map chart. So you can represent data like this. Now let me represent data according to the subjects. If you want to plot this data according to the subject, first you have to select the cells, whatever value you want to plot in the chart. After that, click on insert, maps, more map charts, then again tree map. So here it will come like this. See, physics, bio, computer science, accountancy, business study and informatics practices, and these boxes are generated automatically. These legends you can see here, these are the legends. So legends are displaying the specific color for the subject. So like this you can plot data on the chart. Now let me talk about how to change the design and other things on the chart. So as in previous video we have discussed already how to change it. So click on design and you will get different options here. Whatever options you will find good for you, you can use it. Suppose this looks attractive, I want to keep this design, just I selected it and now it is applied. So like that you can select any particular design and you can apply on your chart. Second thing is their format. In format you can change specific format, like a specific box. This entire box I want to change. So then you can select from here, you can apply it. See, everything is coming in the same color. So like that you can apply. So let me do Ctrl Z here. Now next thing is shape outline. Similarly you can apply, these all options are available. So design and format, it is used for changing the format and design of your chart. So I hope you understood very well how to plot tree map chart. So now let me move ahead and we are going to learn about sunburst chart. So the same thing we are going to apply. Same data is there and this is one chart. Here you can look at this chart. So let me do it once again. First I will show you according to the streams. Click on insert. Steps are the similar, only the thing is you have to change the chart type from here. So now you can see one concentric circle is there, but here somewhere you will find out these are empty, but actually this part is not empty. You can just add, it is already added, but we have to change the size. That we are going to change the size now, and now you will find that everywhere data is there, whatever rays are coming from there, sunburst. So one concentric value is there, that is one circle is there, then these rays are going like this. So we have total two stream. So one is science, so this is for science, this ray, and this ray is for commerce, like that. So this part is covered like this and this part is covered like this. Now see, whatever topics we have added, that topics are coming like this. Here one topic is not displayed yet, so let me enlarge. See, now it is coming. Here also something is not displayed, so likely you can change the size and it is available. Let me zoom in and zoom out, so accordingly we can see the data. Okay, already all data is depicted, but we can't see due to size of that particular circle. Now you can see data is already displayed there till in that box. This box is empty, so let me change more. Now it is available, data visualization. So it is coming according to your data and words, whatever words or alphabets you have used. Now you can see here data visualization is there and all topics are covered and surrounded by this sun. So this is called sunburst, means one main concentric circle is there, then the rays are going out like this. On top of it the main topics are displayed, and inside circle subjects are there, and inside circle similar streams are there. So similarly we can apply for subject also. So let me apply for the same for the subjects now. Let me zoom in first. Okay, now I have selected this subject. Click on insert, maps, more, maps chart, sunburst. So here in sunburst you will find out the same thing. See, here we have 6 subjects. So this 6 subjects data is available on the chart, and let me zoom it. Now it will come like this. Now see, so here 6 subjects are there. So this is one main circle, concentric circle, then 6 subjects, 1 physics, bio, computer science, accountancy, business study, and IP. So 6 rays are there. So these rays are for this inner circle subjects. Then the topmost circle is for the topics. So this topic you can see from biology there are 3 topics, 1, 2, 3. For computer science 1, 2, 3 like this. Then accountancy 1, 2, 3. Then business study 1, 2, 3. Then this one informatics practices, business study there are 2 only. In IP this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. And here in physics 1, 2, 3. So like this rays are coming out from your concentric circle. So this is called sunburst chart. And last chart, that is waterfall chart. So for that you have to prepare data in proper manner. So I have prepared this data here. See, here I have displayed some data like this. Let me discuss what type of data is available. Here I have taken data from one store. This store is selling computer parts and mobile parts. So this data of computer parts which is sold yesterday and mobile parts sold yesterday. So total income is written here, and this is operational cost. Whatever parts sold yesterday, that's operational cost was like this. Then tax paid, whatever tax paid is there, that is this amount, and this is the net amount. So after removing this cost and tax paid, the net income is this one. So this is the profit of the store owner. Now see how we can apply waterfall chart and how we can see the flow. So first select this data, click on insert, click on more map charts, and then waterfall is available, and here you can see the result. So in result you may see this thing. There are 3 portions: increase, decrease, and total. So here 1,50,000, that is for computer parts, mobile parts, total income, and it is plotted like this. So I hope you understood very well how to use this type of charts and how to plot them with data. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give me thumbs up, comment your doubts, whatever doubts you have, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe the channel and press that bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.